Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. Thank you all for your support. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I really appreciate. In today's video we are making pineapple juice. I've peeled the 2 pineapples and I used the peel for making zobo. Check my video on how I made the zobo with this pineapple leaf. Next, we'll now cut one of the pineapples into chunks, smaller chunks. I'm using only one of the pineapples to cut it into chunks, and I will also add 1 small ginger. I've peeled and washed the ginger. Add everything into the blender. I've finished blending it. It's too thick. It will be difficult to pass through the sieve, so I'll add a little water to it. Add the water, stir everything together. It's not going to change the taste. We know pineapple is very sweet. And then get the juice through the sieve. Pour the pineapple into the sieve. After this, with this sieve, I'll still use another sieve, one with a tinier opening, because this one had some particles that entered into the juice. Will not like that. So I use this one that is tinier than the first one, and then sieve again so as to remove those tiny black particles. I think it's from the eye of the pineapple. If you check, you will see those tiny black things I'm talking about. Look at that. And then our pineapple juice is ready. Look at that color. Some do add that vitamin C to it for more color and flavor, but I love it plain like this. This is pure pineapple juice, very sweet. Pineapple juice is not only a delicious drink, it is also a very healthy drink. It contains a lot of vitamin C in it and also beta-carotene, thereby helping to improve overall body and skin texture. Pineapple juice also helps in digestion. It has so many good nutrients in it. Make yourself a cup of pineapple juice and have a good relaxation. You want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the